So I've just got back from a lovely walk around the park. I absolutely love this time of year, and I went and picked some chestnuts. I'm actually quite a good nut collector. I think maybe I was a squirrel in a past life, or maybe I am nuts. I have no idea, but it's definitely one of the two. I didn't manage to carve a pumpkin in time for Halloween until right now. I'm a terrible influencer. I should have carved my pumpkin and gone to a pumpkin patch and taken pictures of me holding a wheelbarrow with all the pumpkins, but alas, I have not. However, the perk of buying a pumpkin after Halloween is that they are considerably cheaper. I bought this one for 10p along with like a carving kit for 30p. So who's the real winner here? I'm going to be carving a Bunnymoonstone design on my pumpkin. Hashtag on brand, and see how it turns out. Hello there everyone, so it's much later in the evening. I've come in the bathroom to give me some better lighting. Tonight is actually bonfire night, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I have a 4-year-old dwarf lot rabbit called Magic, so I will be looking after her tonight. So unfortunately there's going to be no bonfire firework extravaganzas on this channel, but I'm sure that there's plenty of other vloggers that have filmed fireworks. But what you can expect here on Bunnymoonstone is realness. My contribution to bonfire night shall be just wearing my pyjamas, makeup free, putting on a big coat, going outside into the garden and waving around some sparklers which I bought from Tesco, 5 for a quid, and that is my contribution to bonfire night. Let's have some sparkler fun. Ready, steady, light. Ah, so majestical. Oh, it's gonna go out. No, it's not. Ah, the suspense. Damn. This is what bonfire night is, just like trying to light things with matches while it's windy. That's like half of it. And then the other half is like just enjoying the pretty lights. There we go. We have liftoff. No, 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 no. Oh. And we have liftoff. Yay. I feel like Harry Potter. Wingardium Leviosa. Wingardium Leviosa. Expecto Patronum. Lumos. Let me know in the comments below what Hogwarts house you are. Yeah. And that's it for another year. Round 2. This is like a perfect example of like, if you don't succeed, try again. Yeah, woo, yeah. Oh, oh god, just fell. Wee, oh, just lost my shoe. She's beauty, she's grace, she's Miss United States. It's not Leviosa, it's Leviosa. No. I have returned from the garden. I'm absolutely freezing cold, and this calls for a nice bath. And I saved, especially for this video, the last little bit of my Lush Yule Nog bubble bar, which is like amazing, by the way. If you haven't smelled it already, go to a Lush store and sniff it out. It's like this cinnamony nutmeg dessert smelling bubble bar, and I've had like 5 baths out of it already. Anything that's cruelty free and smells like a dessert is a winner for me, so I'm going to sign off now. I'm going to run my bath and enjoy myself and just relax for the rest of the evening. I hope that you enjoyed my vlog. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Why not subscribe? Tell your mum, your dad, your cat, your dog. And hit that subscribe button, notification bell, the like button, all the buttons. Just hit all of them and I shall see you next time. Bye everyone.